guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video for the month of June. The month of June, I'm actually doing a YouTube creators collaboration with a makeup brand. In today's video, it's actually my most loved setting spray and that I would like to share with you guys. And this is the Nikkia Joy collaboration with Gerard Cosmetics, which is the Slay All Day. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out how good is a setting spray to pretty much set your makeup whole day, please keep on watching. Is delicate scent of Slay All Day spray created by Nikkia Joy. Freshly picked notes of feminine sophistication that delight the senses. A luxurious and refreshing way to lock in your makeup. Our cooling oil control mist ensures a flawless base for hours. So this is actually my most loved setting spray. I do have them in a different fragrance, but with Nikkia Joy's collaboration with Gerard Cosmetics, this is the fragrance Rose. So I've got this in 100 ml. The fragrance of this setting spray is Rose, but it's not a very powering scent of rose. An oil control setting spray, guys. My most trusted setting spray, especially on a very hot weather. It actually leaving your makeup to last longer, actually giving my makeup also a flawless look every time I use this setting spray. And actually sprayed really nicely on your face when you use this, and it's got this pump here, guys, that is actually easy to use. So as soon as you spray it all over your face, it's actually going to spread that spray all over your face, evenly on your face, and it also dries really quick. You can actually use this before you apply your foundation. Cosmetics, they actually does shipping overseas. So this is retail for the 100 ml is actually retail for $22 US dollars, and they also do have the mini size and it's retail for $16 US dollars. This is actually a cruelty free, guys. Nikkia Joy, she's also got the discount coupon for 30% off. You just have to use her code JOY to get the 30% off of your order. That way you're vitally saving more money. I feel like your makeup doesn't last whole day, especially with a hot day. So I actually highly recommend it for you guys to try this if you haven't tried yet. Guys haven't considered in using a setting spray to set your makeup. Highly recommended for you guys to try the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day collaboration with Nikkia Joy. Please let me know if you used this setting spray before, and I would love to hear from you guys. And please let me know what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.